Well, I'm here with you again, just to tell you what the instructor's book says about it, about your teaching. In this case, this video is about one of the main impediments for students to speak: interaction. Do you allow students to interact among them in English? Do you mingle with them to motivate? Remember, for me, this is an audiolingual program, so production is to be developed by the teacher. Look for opportunities not for you, but for your students to speak and converse. Let's see what the IT, that is the instructor text, says about it. Encouraging student interaction. Speaking is essential to language learning. Students need opportunities to engage in meaningful and authentic communication. That is, the kind of language typically used in real-life situations to accomplish real-life tasks. Students will not always have access to English outside the classroom. Therefore, it is up to the teacher to create such opportunities in the classroom. To help facilitate authentic language use, employ strategies like the following on a daily basis. Begin each day mingling with students, practicing greetings and engaging in small talk. Provide time for students to converse informally with each other in English. Ask about students' personal lives and opinions. To do this, focus on topics and current events in which they are interested. Encourage students to discuss their learning experiences. Talk about language difficulties they have experienced. Let them offer advice for solving language problems that classmates have encountered. Okay, so have your students interact. They are motivated when they see they can use the new language. Don't limit yourself. All this is only what the ALC-IT says. Give your personal touch whenever you can. Instruct them to interview foreigners downtown, at museums, etc. They will be motivated. Do something for them. They will appreciate it. Okay, check the channel for more. See you next teaching time.